Hi, my name is Niso and it's a great pleasure and honor for me to represent Seven Refractories. I completed my master's degree in international tourism in Italy, which has been preceded by 2 higher educations, majoring in linguistic and high economic education, management in organizations. I speak 5 languages, coupled with my extensive experience working with the various international organizations in different countries, allowed me to develop my capacity in dealing with clients from diverse backgrounds, nationalities, and mentalities. I joined 7 companies several years ago and currently working as a head of sales department. The company gave me the opportunity to apply my expertise into practice, for what I'm forever grateful. We work with the clients from more than 40 countries around the world, providing top quality service ranging from technical support with submission until issuing certificates that comply with the international standards and regulations. We also provide logistic import and export support through land, sea and air. My job is extremely dynamic and demands quick intervention in stressful situations and emergency. I enjoy working in such a situation and discovered that my personality matches such jobs. I love my job and my life grows through the day by day.